Alright, back at the dump today. Got my first marble. There we go. Looks pretty neat. Let's get my glove off here. Put this down. Oh, this is a pretty neat looking marble. If I can keep it in my hand today. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It's got like pink, maybe some brown in there, some blue. Pretty decent. Alright. Found something I've never found before. It's a light bulb, but it's got water in it. Isn't that weird? It's not even leaking out, which is kind of weird too, so I don't know where it got in. I'm assuming around the base, but yeah, pretty neat. I don't know how these things survive, but they do. Catch you on the next. Alright guys, I think I got a pretty cool looking ACL right there, green one. What do we got? Oh, it's a Collins mixer. See if I can clean this off a little bit here. Call for a Collins blended beverage. That's pretty neat. It's in pretty good shape. A little bit of the ACL missing there, but it's all good on the back, I think. Pretty much. I might take that. Right on. Cool bottle. Just fell in from a cave-in. And a bunch of other bottles, but it looked like jars. Pretty slim pickings on the marbles today. I think I've got 3 or 4, that's it. So yeah, probably bring that home. Oh, found another milk of magnesia tablets as well. That's pretty neat. Catch you on the next one. Alright, we're getting on some pretty nice ACLs today. Got a Toronto Hamilton 7-Up. I'm assuming probably from the 40's. ACL's all there. Beautiful. Just a little 8-ouncer. Beauty. Got one more marble. It's just like a Vitro Conqueror or something like that. Nothing special. I found a lot of them here. Pretty popular marble, I guess. But we'll keep going. See what else we can pull out. Later. Alright, I pulled a couple more things out. This is pretty neat. It's like a Dodge emblem. Pretty neat. So I'll probably keep that. It's pretty, I think that's pretty cool. It's probably from the 50's or 40's maybe. Just got this big blue shooter as well. Yeah, it's pretty beat up, but hard to say. Yeah. Got a new hole opened up, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah, I think I got a cool marble in the hole. It looks like it's got yellow on it. Give it a little wipe off. I think it's a master. Yeah, it is. This is a sweet marble. Yep, that's a master. Look at the filaments going through the side there. That's beautiful. That's a nice master marble. There's a name for these ones, and I can't remember what it is. I don't know if it's sunburst or something. Yes, sir. A lovely one. Well, guys, I've been bottle digging for probably, 30 years, on and off. First time I've ever found one of these. Look at that. All in one piece. Pretty sure that was candy in there or something like that. That is killer. Just raked it out from down there, like maybe 2.5, 3 feet down. Beautiful. Yeah. Choo choo. Let's go. Alright, guys. Just out of that hole right there, I think I just pulled out a full uranium glass, or Vaseline glass, whatever you want to call it. Candlestick holder. Looks like it's still got gold trim around the bottom. I guarantee you that's uranium glass. That is sweet. That is definitely coming home with me. Hard to find uranium glass for some reason intact. And how this survived, I have no clue. But yeah, that's awesome. So I'm gonna dig out in there. Looks like there's a few little pots and stuff. Hopefully there's something else cool. All right. All right, there's that Vaseline glass candlestick or candle holder. Let's check it out under the black light. Yeah, look at that. That thing glows sick. That's pretty neat. It's got little flower designs on the base too. It's pretty hard to see though. Yeah, that's nice. Right on. Okay, folks. A little bit of a quick wrap up here. There's the candy train I found there. And there's the uranium glass. You can see the flowers etched into the base. It's like a vine or something. Pretty neat. I got the Milk and Mag tablets. I just threw a black lid on it. And I got these two little guys too. I've yet to clean these, but yeah, they're tiny. One looks like a grenade, and the other one is just a little cobalt blue. Pretty neat. And the 7-Up had a flash crack in it, and the Collins one I'm still cleaning up. So yeah, pretty cool. All right, catch you on the next. Here's some of the marbles that I got. See 3 swirls there. The one on the bottom there, the blue and the brown and the white one. I think that's a vitro. And then that killer yellow master marble. This one here. That thing is sick. Yep. Found quite a few master marbles there. They're from like 1929 to 1940 or something. So yeah, beautiful. More for the collection.